I got my grinder with the flap disc. I'm gonna take out these raised edges from the screws, and when they drilled the hole from the inside out, it was a raised edge, so I want to make the patch as flat as possible, so I'm going to grind these down. This all will be covered in the patch, and I put some caulk on each one of these, silicone. I don't have to worry about any bugs or anything getting in. After it's wrapped, I don't think anything's going to get in. So I'm just going to do this on both of these, then I'm going to paint the patches, then I'll rivet them in, caulk them and rivet them in.